The Moor Lane and Tockington Lane, this gully is overflowing, cascading across the road, going down and flooding Moor Lane. Moor Lane in the direction of the stables is being completely flooded. It's impassable. The entrance of the stables, I can't get out of my van because the road is flooded so bad. So although all the ditches have been cleaned, it's just one complete river. I'm in Moor Lane, approaching the gully, but the whole road is flooded, as you can see. I can't even see where the ditch is. I'm at the bottom drain with the metal grill, which you've spent all that time unblocking. It's still overflowing. On the footpath side, it's flowing, but full up. I'm now at the entrance of the water board, or the sewage treatment works. And from what I can see, the river is flowing really well. Oh, there's quite a surge, even though the pipe hasn't yet been exposed. So that is onto the main road. There's a lot of water there, and it's going down the track of the water board. It's flowing really well. It's absolutely huge, and it's overflowing because at the entrance to the sewage treatment works, the drain hasn't been cleared. I can't get down any further, it's too overgrown. More remedial work needs to be done in that direction. The entrance of the motorway tunnel, the lower end, the right hand side seems to be flowing quite well and not flooding the road, but the left hand side is overflowing, coming off the fields and again flooding the road. It's flowing down the road, not going into the culverts despite being cleaned.